Hello, and today we'll be talking about why Robinhood is a great growth company. And please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me and motivates me to keep going, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. And moving forward, today we'll be talking about why Robinhood is a great growth company. So the economic moat, it's a low-cost operation. It has a drive of 56% margins and funding aggressive user subsides. Its retirement lock-in, the 3% RA match requires a 5-year stay, effectively trapping long-term assets, and high switching costs. Bundling banking, credit, and gold subscriptions make leaving logistically painful. It has vertical integration, owning the Bitstamp exchange and tech stack boosts per trade profit and speech. Liquidity moat, market leadership in prediction, markets create a winner takes all volume advantage. The risk, highly competitive business, strong competitors with deep pockets, and by deep pockets they mean a lot of money, with hyped among retail investors. It's high beta stock which can move downward faster compared to the S&P 500, and earning is mainly dependent upon trading options and crypto volume, which are cyclical in nature. Fintechs and banks are very risky companies and should never trade at a lower valuation due to inherent financial risk. So assets under management comparison. So SoFi has around $30 billion in assets, while Robinhood has a staggering $324 billion in assets. But other large companies such as Vanguard, Charles Schwab, and BlackRock have upwards of $12 trillion in assets, making Robinhood a risky buy. So assets under custody for the last 5 years. So 5 years in 2022 had $62 billion in assets, but has steady growth till 2025, which started off as $62 billion in 2022 and moved up to $324 billion in 2025. Industry average is 10%, while Charles Schwab is around 12%, while SoFi is 26%, and Robinhood with a staggering 35%. So average account size. So the average person for their Robinhood account is $11,000, while SoFi has around $7,000. Large institutions such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard have upwards of $100,000 in their account. So revenue by each business segment. So transaction based make 58% of revenue, while net interest income make 33.6% of revenue, while other revenue come from 8%. So in the transactions, 42.6% come from options, while 34.2% come from cryptocurrencies. The other come from equities and other, such as prediction markets. So the revenue for Robinhood has actually been very steady. It came from $1.81 billion and grew exponentially from there to $4.5 billion in 2025. So even though they made so much money off the revenue, they lost money in 2021 and 2023, but were able to keep a steady increase in their net profit, making money in 2024 and 2025. So in the future, Robinhood is a soon-to-be financial super app, replacing traditional banks with high-yield saving, bill pay, and 3% gold credit card. Its asset tokenization, moving stocks and ETFs onto their own blockchain for 24/7 global trading, and active trading, launching futures, derivatives, and pro-level tools to capture high-volume traders. Its wealth management, entering the advisor RIA space to manage long-term portfolios for millennials and Gen Z. Global expansion. scaling their commission-free models to Asia and the EU institutional crypto markets. So overall, it's a financial pivot, transitioning from a loss-making startup to a profitable powerhouse, delivering $4.5 billion in 2025 and $2 in EPS. Its revenue mix shift successfully reducing reliance on volatile trading by scaling recurring revenue via Robinhood Gold and net interest income. Its asset gathering, rapidly capturing wallet share with a 3% RI match and gold credit card, driving assets under custody toward a $1 trillion long term goal. International expansion, it plans to go into the EU and Asia, and the valuation reality. Trading at a premium 36 PE, stock performance is highly sensitive to crypto cycles and overall retail market sentiment. The bottom line is a high growth buy consensus play that must now prove it can maintain margins if trading volumes cool. Thank you. And please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. And thank you for watching.